So guys, I just got finished changing this ball catch right here when I realized that that door is messed up as well. I don't have any more replacements, but I do have the spring, and I did just find the ball on the ground. So I'm going to show you guys how you can fix it with your old spring and the old ball. So let's go ahead and dive in. Just so you know, all you have to do to remove this is just pop these two little screws out right here, and it normally would just pop right out. And that's what I'm going to show you how to change. So like I said, I replaced both of these, and I found out that all this ball does now is just kind of go right through it. So it doesn't really have any tension. I'm trying to find the best spring. You're not going to be able to get it perfectly straight, but if you can get it somewhat straight, that might help. Either way. But what you can do is just go ahead and put the ball back into this little thing, and then you're going to put your spring right behind it. And it is going to try to go through, but one of the things you can do is these notches are actually go on top, because that's how you can adjust it. I'll show you that in a second. But you're going to take a pair of pliers like this and just kind of crimp the ends just a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit, just kind of bend it a little bit, so that way it can't really go out anymore. That way, hopefully it'll stop it. Let's see. Yeah, hopefully that'll work. And so then you'll take this, stick it all back in there, and you can kind of push it all back in, and it just, all it does is it just screws back in. So you can do it with your hand a little bit here, hoping that that ball is going to stay in there. There you go. And let's go ahead and put it back in and see if it works. All right, so to replace it, all you have to do is put it back in there. Slide it back in, line them back up, and then put these screws back in, and we'll see if it fits. So we believe that these doors were broken because one of our kids was pretending to be Spider-Man, but I'd love to know in the comments, how did your ball catch break in your situation? All right, moment of truth, let's see if it works. It's a little tight, so let me show you how to adjust that as well. So like I mentioned, it's a little tight. What's happening is that ball is hitting a little early. So you're gonna turn this down a little bit. You can try it with your hands a little, and then if you need to, you can also grab some pliers. Let me grab some pliers. Adjust it with the needle nose pliers. All you're gonna do is just grab it right here, and you can turn it whichever way it needs to go. Mine needed to go down a little bit, so I've made it go down, and let's see if it fits. There you go. Well, hopefully this video was able to help you fix this problem. If you just want to go ahead and replace it, I have another video on how to do that right here, or another home improvement video right here, and I'll see you over there.